Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will explore the top 5 best dash cams that can protect you while driving. These devices record every moment on the road, giving you extra safety, evidence, and peace of mind. Let's get started. Number 5, Dash Cam 4K UHD, Wi-Fi, GPS. The 4K UHD dash cam with Wi-Fi and GPS is a powerful device that ensures your driving safety. It records in ultra-high definition, capturing every detail clearly both day and night. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily transfer and view videos on your phone. The GPS feature helps track your route and speed, which is very useful for evidence in case of accidents. This dash cam is perfect for drivers who want reliable protection and high-quality recording. Its compact design fits easily inside your car without disturbing your view, a must-have for modern drivers. Number 4, Dash Cam 4K UHD, Wi-Fi, GPS. This Dash Cam 4K UHD with Wi-Fi and GPS is designed for drivers who want sharp vision and dependable recording. It captures clear footage even in low light conditions, ensuring you never miss important details. The Wi-Fi function allows quick access to your recordings through your smartphone, making it very convenient to use. GPS tracking provides location and speed data, which can be useful in legal situations. Its strong performance and reliable design make it a great driving companion. If you want both safety and advanced features, this dash cam is an excellent choice. Number 3, 10/11.26-inch Dash Cam 4K, Dual Lens. This 10/11.26-inch dash cam with dual lens is perfect for drivers who want full coverage and control. The large screen makes it easy to view recordings and control settings directly on the device. With dual lenses, it captures both the front and rear or inside view, ensuring maximum safety. The 4K recording quality provides sharp and detailed footage. This dash cam is ideal for taxi drivers, rideshare drivers, or anyone who wants complete monitoring. It enhances your driving experience by providing both convenience and protection in one powerful device. Number 2, 70mm Dash Cam M310 Plus 2K. The 70mm Dash Cam M310 Plus 2K is a smart and modern device designed with advanced features. It offers crystal clear 2K video quality, capturing every detail on the road. One of its best features is voice control, allowing you to operate the device hands-free while driving. This makes it safer and more convenient to use. The compact design ensures it does not block your view. With its smart technology and reliable performance, this dash cam is perfect for drivers who want a combination of safety, quality, and modern features in one device. Number 1, 1080p Dual Camera Dash Cam. The 1080p Dual Camera Dash Cam is an excellent choice for complete security. It features both front and inside cameras, allowing you to record everything happening inside and outside the vehicle. This is especially useful for taxi drivers, ride-sharing, and personal safety. The full HD recording ensures clear video quality, capturing important details when needed. Its easy installation and user-friendly design make it suitable for everyone. With dual coverage, this dash cam provides peace of mind and extra protection during every drive. It is a reliable and affordable solution for vehicle safety. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description. See you in the next video. Automobile camera with flash fire.